morning, listeners on Radio Akashvani and those who are listening on akashvaniradio.co.tt. Good morning to each one of you, and I am indeed happy that you have spared time from your busy schedules to listen to this program. As a spiritual master, I decided to speak on this subject because your body is the temple wherein is enshrined God. If the structure of the temple is weak, dilapidated, God within will not manifest. Just as when you build a structure, you require concrete blocks, the mixture of the cement, so too for the body and the various cells of your body, you need good raw material. This includes your flour, your vegetables, your cooking methods, combination of spices, cooking medium. These are gross items, you can see them, but then what is more important is your inner state of the mind when you are cooking food. Are you cooking it lovingly, or you are cooking it as a compulsion that you have to do? Food should be cooked lovingly, meditatively. Only then you put your energy into it, and then it becomes a subtle food, a divine food. It does not matter to me to what religion you belong to, what is the color of your skin. That does not matter to me. What matters to me is your awareness. Your awareness should be pure, and it is not guided by anything religious or otherwise. It is spontaneous and natural. And you remember, you are human being first. This is how you are born, and thereafter all other denominations are imposed on you, and you continue to live with those masked faces. Human body is composed of food. It is the beginning, and then the emotions that you put into your lovingness, your understanding of the various spices that you use, various ingredients that you use. Of course, we are coming to you with the compliments of Swarna Chakki flour, 100% stone grind whole wheat flour, Deep whole wheat flour, another stone grind flour, Deep basmati rice, Shri Gun blend of spices, Surabhi coconut oil. With every product we seek your health. Today I will in particular speak about the cooking medium. There are different types of fats, including saturated, unsaturated and trans fats. Although this was not considered one of the original food groups, it has been added as nutritional. However, it is important to understand the quality of these oils. They are unsaturated fatty acids. Most of these oils are trans fats. What is trans fat? Trans fat is the common name for unsaturated fat with trans isomers fatty acids. Because the term refers to the configuration of a double carbon bond, trans fats are sometimes monounsaturated or polyunsaturated but they are never saturated. Trans fats are rare in living nature but can occur in food production. In common terminology, the organic formula of oil is carbon plus hydrogen. Now carbon is a double bond. Double bond means it can connect to the left and to the right, or whatever you may understand. It has two-sided bond. But if it is not two-sided bond, then it is known as mono. If it has more than one, then it becomes poly. But then also the strength is also important. Just as the relationship between husband and wife is a bond, it is multidimensional, and it can be weak, it can be strong. If the bond is strong, then nothing can affect. No turmoil, no situation can disturb the bond. So too, when the carbon bond is strong enough, the oil is heated, it does not break or disintegrate. When the carbon bonding disintegrates, it becomes harmful. It adds to the cholesterol level. The LDL tends to increase. Then there are other various types of shortenings. These are not naturally hydrogenated. When you look at the coconut oil, nothing is added to it. It is purely either expeller pressed or cold pressed. These are the two processes to extract the coconut oil. The bond between the two carbons is very strong, and its temperature is very high. It does not decompose. The process of decomposition is very important. When there is a difficult situation comes, the bond between husband and wife decomposes. It becomes harmful, it becomes violent. So too, but we cannot use the word violent when it comes to the oils. It breaks down. When it breaks down, it becomes harmful. Instead of being beneficial to your body cells, remember, the oils or whatever food you eat, they help in nourishing the body cells. There are trillions of body cells in your body, and all the cells in your body, they transform, they become new every 120 days, 4 months. They need good quality fat, good quality nourishment. And when you look at your brain cell needs fat, a good quality fat, not trans fat, not unsaturated fat, but saturated fat, mono or poly. Coconut oil has the two, and it is said that you should consume about 15 milligrams, that is a teaspoon of oil. If you get the virgin coconut oil, it is very good. So I suggest that virgin coconut oil, which is very expensive, you use for oral consumption, whereas the coconut oil with a lesser grade you use for cooking purposes. Because when you look at the Indian food, it requires many fried things. Nothing is wrong with it. But when you use partially hydrogenated or unsaturated fats or trans fats which are used in many fast food outlets. They are vegetable shortenings. How does a trans fat or partially hydrogenated oil comes into existence? You take any vegetable oil and you pass hydrogen into it. It becomes hydrogenated, but it is partially hydrogenated. The basic quality remains the same. It is something like this. You have to go to a party or any occasion, but instead of taking a bath, removing all the perspiration and all that is unwanted, you put on makeup and you add perfume. How would it happen? And when you take a bath, your natural substances of the body are recovered. Then you do not need to add that either. So when you use the trans fats or the partially hydrogenated fatty acids, they are harmful. It is like you adding a perfume or a face pack, and these should be avoided. You should go, if you need to eat butter, go for pure butter. We get various brands of butters. I am not here to advertise any particular, but I am pointing out, read the instructions that it should be natural butter. Natural butter, it comes from the cow's milk. Nothing is added to it. A simple process. Either you boil and boil until the fat content comes to the surface. Then you go through the process of the heating and the butter is obtained in that way, or ghee, that is what is called clarified butter. Or you can use the other process. You make yogurt, and from the yogurt you churn it and churn until the butter comes to the surface. This is known as, the actual word for this is makhan. In Brij Bhasha and in the normal language it is known as makhan, or in English butter. This is real butter. Not that what it says, you can't believe that it is butter. I am not saying you can that. I am saying the real butter. Same thing, you can use various other oils, and then what happens after some time, doctor tells you your HDL is low and your bad cholesterol is high, then you end up taking the tablets. So you have to observe what kind of food you are putting on the table for human consumption. It is better to change your lifestyle, or you are forced to do it. Use coconut oil, use whole grain wheats, use whole wheat flour stone grind. Of course, we are coming to you with the compliments of Surabhi coconut oil. It is available in supermarkets, at Naipal's Extra Food in Grand Bazaar. It comes in 2 packings, 1 liter and 2 liters. And it is also available at Prem Singh's Puja Bhavan. For any inquiry, you can give me a call at 683-8587. Also, we are coming to you with the compliments of Tandoori Hut, Marawal, the East Indian restaurant that supplies you a large variety of East Indian delicacies and foods. You can give a call at 622-6826 to plan your menu or have a meal of your choice. Health authorities worldwide recommend the consumption of the trans fats be reduced to trace amounts. I normally cook my food myself, so I know the purity of the raw material, and not only that, the subtle values that I put into the food, lovingness. It does not matter to me if I have to cook food for two different people and each one have a different choice. For instance, someone may like the eggplants or baigan in a particular way, the other may like in a different way. What should I do? Should I cook for one person and skip the other? This is not lovingness. Lovingness requires that you are cooking food for the consumption of everyone according to their liking and taste. This is what I call cooking Taosho Buddha way, cooking lovingly and cooking meditatively. There have been many researches on the use of the coconut oil. The coastal towns of Sri Lanka, India, where coconut is available in large quantities. The consumption, of course, is of coconut oil, as compared to the northern India and American market, where various other types of oils are used. When the problem of the cholesterol was increasing, then the health authorities came heavily on the manufacturers to prepare something which will be helpful. Then we got various trans fats, partially hydrogenated oils like that you see on the shelf, the margarine and that range of items. Now it has been discovered that these products are very harmful for your heart. It clogs heart arteries. It increases cholesterol level. Then not only you are put into problems, you have pain and suffering, but also you have to spend huge sum on your treatment. Why not change the lifestyle? Why not change the menu on your dining table? Unsaturated fat is a fat molecule containing one or more double bond between the carbon atoms. Since carbons are double bonded to each other, there are fewer bonds connected to hydrogen. So there are fewer hydrogen atoms, hence the name unsaturated fat comes in. The carbon is double bonded, but if the quantity of the hydrogen is less, then there is a problem. So in order to rectify this, we partially hydrogenate it and we get various cooking mediums called margarine in different names. The carbons and trans are the term that refer to the arrangement of two hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon atoms involved in a double bond. Like one is connecting to the left side and the other is connecting to the right side. Certain oils are more beneficial than those extracted from fruits like olive and coconut. Olive oil is very good, but its boiling point is low. It should be consumed in the raw form and also as salad dressings and many other forms. The configuration of the oil, the carbon bonding and the effect of heat on the oil are essential things to know, so that your choice is always beneficial to the body. Olive oil is very good, however it is not suitable for high heat. Coconut oil is most suitable. It is naturally hydrogenated and has strong carbon bonding, and when the carbon bonding is strong, you know that no other oil, when it gets cold, it becomes solid. Coconut oil, your ghee are the two substances that get naturally hard when they are freezed or put into the cold. The artificially you can create something, but you remember the artificial is not the one that your body can assimilate. There are various benefits of the coconut oil. Firstly, being naturally hydrogenated, it does not add to your cholesterol level, that is, it does not affect your lower cholesterol. Instead, your HDL, which is high quality of the cholesterol, it improves on that. Various benefits that include hair care, skin care, stress relief, maintaining cholesterol levels, weight loss, increased immunity. If your immune system is weak, you can attract many kind of diseases. And the kind of food, the trans fat and the white flour that we have on our dining table, that is very much conducive to attract many kind of diseases. Do you want to have food that is conducive to your diseases, to attract many diseases? Just as in order to have the security, you put on the burglar proofs, you have the security systems, alarm systems, so too you have to be very aware, understanding, and it is for this reason that I have decided to speak to you on these items, so that your lifestyle is changed. When the food that you put into your body, the gross, you remember it is a ladder. The gross ultimately does not give you belching, any kind of indigestion. Then what happens? You are emotionally strong. So at all the levels it is helpful. It increases your immunity, proper digestion and metabolism, relief from kidney problems, heart diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes. It is helpful in all these things. HIV and cancer, dental care and bone strength. So why not switch over to coconut oil? Use, if you can afford the virgin, it is very good. If not, use virgin for oral consumption and a different grade, a lesser grade for cooking purposes. Of course, we are coming to you with the compliments of Surabhi coconut oil. These benefits of coconut oil are attributed to the presence of lauric acid, capric acid and caprylic acid, and its properties such as antimicrobial, antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial, and soothing, etc. Antioxidant means it oxidizes. Normally food oxidizes. Oxidizes means the process of, it comes from the word oxygen. Anti, it does not oxidize. Sometimes it happens when you take there is the iron pot, and the iron pot, it gets rusting when it comes in contact with the air. This is called oxidizing. Then antifungal means it does not cause fungal infection or anything in your body. Antibacterial, the bacteria cannot affect you. It is soothing and pleasant. Why not switch over to coconut oil? Why not switch over from white flour to stone grind whole wheat flour? Because the whole wheat flour has to be stone grind in order to preserve its natural nutrients. The bran and wheat germ and other vitamins and nutritions. Of course, we are coming to you with the compliments of Swarna Chakki flour, Surabhi coconut oil, Shri Gun spices. And if you have any inquiry about these products, you want to know more in detail, you can go to my website, Tausho Buddha Food Network. You can Google this, and there are scores of videos where professionals have spoken about the qualities of the coconut oil and its various benefits and uses. And also you can email me at mailtaushobuddha@gmail.com or call me at 683-8587. I will be too happy to respond to any calls, any queries. And thank you very much for being such a patient audience, listening to this program, trying to absorb everything, and whatever you cannot absorb, this program by tomorrow will be available on YouTube in the form of video, which is available to you anytime, anywhere you are. Until then, take care, do have a pleasant day. Only this much for this morning's program. This is Tausho Buddha signing off. Cooking Tausho Buddha way, cooking lovingly and meditatively. Your body